Damn birds, man, every time. I don't know what it is. If you guys didn't know, Panda got some new wheels. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I don't have my mic on. It's a completely different day, and right now I already had like pulled out the Jeep. We're just gonna get started. I really don't know where this video is going. I'm just gonna take out the interior. Don't know if I'm gonna paint everything just yet, because I just was getting my tools ready. So today's goal is that we're gonna delete the back seat of the Jeep, so that way we have more room, especially when we put in the new racing seats. And there's a possibility that we are gonna probably take out this bottom part. I'm not sure just yet. Eventually everything in the car will be taken out. I gotta take out some of my dad's stuff that he uses at work and then take it all out. Alright, so we lift this up. There's a possibility we might also delete these just with this bolt and stuff right here. But the main concern that my dad is worried about is this, the butt rest of the seat. So there is a bolt right here. I forget the name of it, but I do have one. Let's look at my tools. So I found one, but I believe this is way too small. So that means I have to go to Harbor Freight and buy a bigger size. It's called T30. This one, I need something a lot bigger. Cause I'm gonna put it in. Yeah, that's not happening. So I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight and pick up that tool right now. Yeah, so I still don't know where this video is going. I don't know when I'm done taking out the seat if I'm gonna take off the door cards, paint them. It's really hot, and I don't know how long this is gonna take, because there's still a lot of stuff to do to the Jeep. Like, even after I take everything out, we gotta tear all this interior out, and the seats is like my dad's biggest concern. He wants to throw them away. He wanted to actually put bucket seats in the rear, but now he came to the conclusion of let's just delete it, build a whole new back bedding. So like all of this will be flush and completely flat all the way up to here, and the new seats will be able to recline and everything. Oh god, this thing's heavy. Also, it'd be good weight reduction to take these seats out. They're kind of just really old. My dad's over the style and the look. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm already like getting tired, you guys. Been playing Call of Duty, like Call of Duty mobile all damn night. So like it's like kicking my butt right now. I also made a TikTok, but the thing about that is that I had TikTok before it was TikTok. It was called Musical.ly. So if you guys go on that and follow, you guys will also see how skinny I was. I was in 2015. I was like, what, 5 years? Really skinny. And it's just funny like how I changed over the years. I only have 4 clips on there right now, but I have more funnier videos. I posted the recent one I did on Instagram story, and for some strange reason it was only available in certain countries. It showed that it wasn't available in 88 countries. I was like, what did I do? I don't know what I did. The TikTok's fine with it, so I'm just gonna leave it posted on there if you guys want to check it out. Description of it's down below, and you guys support your boy. If I get more people on there, I'll do more videos, but until then I'm just gonna do it one by one and take my time with it. Also, some of you are wondering why I'm wearing a beanie. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I just redid my hair yesterday, and with the sun out, it beams on my scalp, and it makes me like kind of, I don't want to say fatigued, but makes me a little bit dizzy because my scalp's always open. So that's why you guys always see me in a beanie and like a do-rag like this to protect. It's actually not hot when I wear the beanie. It just blocks the sun's rays. It's so hot it's even going through it. So like pretty soon I'm gonna have to go inside. I can't stay outside too long today. I do have photos and stuff to do tonight, so maybe we'll film a little bit of that today. But other than that, let's just get started on the Jeep. Okay, you guys, checks out. I don't need to go to Harbor Freight. The reason why I say that is, if you guys look at this very carefully, because I went to check and see what size tool I need to take this out, and I realized there's a big giant button right here and this looks like a hook, so it should slide these seats completely out, and we're done. It's a lot easier than I was originally thinking, and it saves me from staying in the sun too long. You guys see that? Like, the exposure is not high on my camera. Like, there we go, there we go. That nice skin color. All right, let's stop playing around. Let's take the seat out. So easy. Okay, so far it looks a lot more spacious in here. So like you have more room for the new seats, the bucket seats, to sit a little bit more back. I didn't recline it all the way. That's just my dad's normal seat setting over there. It looks all right. So right now, what I realized is that if I really want to delete this right here, there's this bolt right there. And then I try to avoid buying that bolt, but it looks like I still gotta go get it, because it's what holds these seatbelt holders in place, and also the seatbelts. So like I do need that tool to take these seatbelts off from there. And then up there's another bolt, but I still have to grab it. And then there's one back there, I believe. Till I come back and grab the bolt, I will take these out. I am going to take out the CD changer that's right there. That's like hella old school, because you don't need it, and we're supposed to get a new radio. Like, that's it. Like, all the other stuff is going out. Both parts of the seat is out. What I'm gonna do is put these back inside the hole just for now. Don't want to lose these bolts until we figure out how we're gonna do the new trunk design. Also, I'm gonna take this off. This is the thing that makes the seat go up and down. All you have to do is just squeeze it, and there we go. Won't reach. Ah, it's right there. All right, this should work. So I got the Kenwood CD changer out of the car. I'm gonna put it on the side for him, so that way if there are any CDs in there that he knows that are in there, he can just take them out.
Get the screws off later since we ain't got the screw.
Yeah, my dad cut off the seatbelt straight up.
You said this off?
Yeah,
This is it.
but Dad, you still gotta take this off.
Yeah, but get this off and it'll roll down, and we'll just take the screw out.
Alright, cutting off seatbelts. So we got most of the carpet off, so we're cutting the seatbelts so that way we can pull the rest of the carpet off. But this is what it looks like so far. Got that panel out. It's right here. I'm gonna take this off, but you can't take it off without taking off the seatbelt. My dad's just cutting it off. Don't care. Alright, you guys, we are done. You can see we're completely gutted everything out. We just threw the seats back in here because we're gonna like throw them away later. And my dad cut some more of them seatbelts off, like completely off. But for the most part, it's pretty clean back here. Now we can lay down the new floor that will happen. This is the original color of the car. It was like a forest green. What is a forest green, Dad?
Green, yeah.
Yeah, forest green right here. So it went from that to this color, charcoal gray. Alright, you guys, I mean, that's it for now. My dad's putting the Jeep away. Don't really have much planned for today. It's only gonna do that, and we were gonna paint some of the parts, but I think I'm gonna call it quits for today. I'm actually getting extremely fatigued, so I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Alright, you guys, it's been like probably like about a week since that last clip. Yesterday, which was Saturday, me and my dad, we tore out all the interior, all the panels, the front carpet. We took out the seats. We did a ton of stuff to the Jeep yesterday. I didn't film it because it would take a lot longer. I didn't want to do that. Here, I'll just show you guys right now. And oh yeah, and there is nothing except for just, we did take it off. We put everything back on just in case he needs to drive, and we put both seats back in. This is the only side that has, I put like a little toothpick. I found one rust spot. right there. I can see straight to the ground. We're gonna have to patch that up before it gets any worse. I'm just gonna clean all this. This is just like from the passenger spilling coffee or milk or something. It's just so gross. Even like it's just all over that seat. But everywhere else it is super clean. Doesn't need to be vacuumed, of course, but like there's no holes anywhere else. You can see on that side, the driver's side is probably the most cleanest, which is crazy. I kind of have a spray that I'm gonna spray here to get all this mildew up, clean it by hand the best I can. I wanted to take it to a car wash and pressure wash it, but I think I could just vacuum these pieces and let it soak a little bit so it could break it up a lot better. Probably gonna use this Kaboom and also some of this Awesome. I don't know how this is gonna work, but right now I think I'm just gonna spray everything in there, just let it sit and soak and see how it goes. And right here, we just threw everything here because we didn't know where to put it at the time, but all the panels are great. I am going to clean and scrub all this, and yeah, so the progress of the Jeep is going a lot faster than what it took for me to build Panda, which is good. And we're just doing, me and my dad are just putting some type of progress into the car basically every Saturday so far. So I guess this is like what, the 6th week, I want to say. I know I didn't film the beginning, but I filmed when I could. That my dad actually was sweating in here with me yesterday. We're probably in here for like a good 2.5 hours. We did a lot yesterday. That's why I'm like, I'm cool with cleaning some of the parts. I mean, I'm not doing much to it today, but I will be cleaning those parts and also cleaning all this mildew and whatever it is. Alright guys, it's been like about an hour and 30 minutes later, and as you can see, all the pieces are clean, front and back, because they're dusty in the back. Some of that can get on the front when you're painting it. Sun went down. What I'm going to do with all these pieces is just label, or not label, I'm going to tape each part together for the left and right, and then call it in for today. There's not much, I'm sorry that the video is kind of short. It's not much or anything exciting really. We've done so much already, it's ridiculous. But the Grey Ghost it's progress better than no progress. That's also really good. Look how many towels I went through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 towels, and they're all like gunked up. It's just ridiculous, so gross. Like, I really feel like I need to take a shower. If you guys like what I did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm really sorry that the video is kind of short, but right now we're gonna get the color scheme. My dad's changing his mind, I'm changing my mind on the color scheme because it seemed like it doesn't really fit for what we originally planned, but we have another way on how to do the color scheme, which I think will be a lot better, a lot nicer, and a lot cleaner. And the goal is to make the Jeep Cherokee feel and almost look like a street race car. That is the ultimate plan with this build. That's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Welcome back, people. Not joking. Ariel showed up. Hello. Did some quick photos of Ariel real quick, and right now we're gonna pull Panda forward and just mess around with the gimbal. Security guard just left, but he was hella chill. Didn't really plan for this. It was like last minute thing. We do got the gimbal set up for these rollers, you guys. This thing's pretty amazing. Since I have the camera, so pretend my hand was the camera, but this thing is dope. So we're just gonna play around with it and see what shots I can do. I think we could do something here.